Naresh Kehi, and you are watching this program brought to you by Sur Sangeet. Today we are going to discuss a very important legal issue in connection with divorce. Very often people ask me, Mr. Kehi, I want to get a divorce. Can I get a no-fault divorce in New York? Unfortunately, based upon my analysis, no-fault divorces are not acceptable in the state of New York, which means New York does not have a provision for no-fault divorce. मतलब आप अगर ये डिवोर्स लेना चाहते हैं तो आज का शो जो है डिवोर्स के बारे में, और उसके बाद में हम बात करेंगे the different grounds of divorce in New York. The most common grounds for divorce in New York are abandonment, cruel and inhuman treatment, constructive abandonment, prison. These are some of the most common grounds which are used in divorces in New York. In order for you to qualify for a divorce in New York, you need to meet the residency requirements as well as the jurisdiction laws of the state of New York under the domestic relations law. मतलब अगर जो आप यहाँ पर डिवोर्स लेना चाहते हैं तो आपको जो है कि यहाँ पर jurisdiction होना ज़रूरी है, और उसके अलावा जो है कि आपको न्यूयॉर्क के रेसिडेंसी रिक्वायरमेंट्स मीट करना ज़रूरी है. और डिवोर्स ऐसे शुरू होता है जब आप यहाँ पर समन्स और कंप्लेंट्स लेते हैं, और वो फाइल करने के बाद आप अपने स्पाउस को सर्व करते हैं, और अगर जो आपका की स्पाउस कंसेंट करती है तो उसे कहते हैं कि अनकंटेस्टेड डिवोर्स. मगर जब सामने वाली स्पाउस अगर जो आपके डिवोर्स को कंटेस्ट करती है तो हम उसे कहते हैं कि कंटेस्टेड डिवोर्स. सो दीज आर द मोस्ट कॉमन इश्यूज दैट कम अप इन डिवोर्सेस इन द स्टेट ऑफ न्यू यॉर्क. Other than that, if you have children, then you may be eligible to get child custody and visitation, as well as you may be also eligible for child support. मतलब अगर जो आपके बच्चे हैं तो न्यूयॉर्क लॉ के मुताबिक आपको चाइल्ड सपोर्ट मिलना चाहिए, और विजिटेशन या कस्टडी ये सारी इश्यूज ऊपर आती है. उसके अलावा another most important issue is sometimes you may be eligible for maintenance depending on the circumstances of the case, and sometimes you may not be eligible for maintenance. मतलब कभी कभी आपको मेंटेनेंस मिल सकती है और कभी कभी आपको मेंटेनेंस नहीं मिल सकती. और उसके अलावा कि आप अगर जो आपके साथ कोई अब्यूज़ हो रहा है तो यू कैन ऑल्सो गो फॉर एन ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन इन अ केस if you've been a victim of abuse, if you're regularly getting harassment from the other spouse. You can petition for an order to you can petition for a order of protection from the family court. So divorces can be complicated. अगर जो आप divorce करना चाहते हैं तो divorce and immigration can also be related a lot. This is because a divorce can have immigration consequences, because sometimes what happens is that your petition is pending in immigration, and after that if you get a divorce, and these things can really hamper your green card process at times. For example, if you're a temporary green card holder, मतलब आप यहाँ पर टेम्प्रेरी ग्रीन कार्ड होल्डर है और बीच में आपका डिवोर्स हो जाता है, तो उसमें आपको जो है कि इमिग्रेशन में भी तकलीफ आ सकती है. हमारे लॉ फर्म में हम डिवोर्सेस भी करते हैं, साथ में इमिग्रेशन के भी मैटर्स हैंडल करते हैं. तो आप अगर जो उस परिस्थिति में जो आपका डिवोर्स हो रहा है या आपको किसी भी तरह की तकलीफ़ है, और उसके अलावा अगर जो आपको इमिग्रेशन के प्रॉब्लम्स है या आपको किसी भी और तरह की लीगल प्रॉब्लम्स है, जैसे आपको ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन के इश्यूज़ है, और आपको किसी भी तरह का इस तरह का लीगल मैटर है, द आंसर इज़ वेरी सिंपल. Come in and see us at the law offices of NM Kehi, and our initial personal consultation is free. We can be reached at 718-263-5999. That's our office in Forest Hills. In Richmond Hill, you can call us and reach us at 718-577-0711. In Long Island, you can call us and reach us at 516-433-0301. Now, sometimes what happens, I get a lot of calls from people who do not have the green card here and they are married to American citizens. And sometimes the citizen spouse tells the alien spouse, the illegal spouse, or the person who's here on some kind of a visa, that if you're not going to comply with my demands, I'm going to get you deported. That's a threat in immigration law. If you are a spouse who's witnessing any kind of abuse from your husband who's an American citizen, the good news is that you can still qualify for your green card on your own without the help of your sponsoring spouse. If you are a victim of abuse, and if you are watching the show, and if you want to petition for your green card, come in and see us. We will be more than happy to help you. We've helped many people in this country who've been victims of abuse to self-petition for themselves and qualify for a green card. If you are illegal in this country, and you have any immigration matter, or even if you're in the middle of a divorce, or if you want to get a divorce, or if you have any other legal matter, come in and see us at the law offices of NM Kehi. We will be more than happy to help you. Call us at 718-263-5999. 5999 for a free initial person consultation, and you can also watch the show on YouTube at Sur Sangeet. This is Attorney Naresh Kehi. We'll be back again with you with some more important news from the world of law.